What's the difference between Microsoft's Outlook app and Outlook 365? Well, with the introduction of Microsoft 365, Microsoft programs can be accessed in multiple ways. The most common ways to access Outlook and email are via the desktop app or via the web app. However, Outlook can also be accessed via a mobile device. Firstly, some definitions. What is an app? An app is the abbreviated term for application or program. What is Microsoft 365? Well, Microsoft 365 is a range of Microsoft programs available as part of Microsoft Office subscription, which is paid on an annual or monthly basis. It covers the core four Microsoft programs, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook, plus additional programs depending upon your subscription level or model. Now, let's get on to what the difference is between the web app and the desktop version and where and why you might use each. Let's talk about the web app first. To access Outlook via the web app, you need to go to the 3Ws office.com and log in. Now, normally you'd log in using the email address and password of your Microsoft 365 account, which, if you work in an organization, would have been set up when you first started. Or if you set it up yourself, then it'll be the email and password you used when you created your Microsoft 365 subscription. Now, when you access the web version, a range of general options are available. These include being able to send and receive emails, access contacts, notes, and calendar, all of which can also be done in the desktop version of Outlook. The web app also offers the ability to create some simple rules and quick steps to help manage your workflow. The web app is perfect for people who need email access less frequently, perhaps those in roles that aren't a majority administrative or desk-based. Now, the desktop program. To access Outlook via the desktop, there may be an icon on the taskbar at the bottom of your computer screen, a desktop icon, or it can be accessed by clicking the Windows key and typing in Outlook or navigating to the Outlook program via the alphabetically listed icons. The desktop program offers the ability to view side by side with email the calendar. Although the calendar can be activated to display beside email in the web app, the calendar view and options are more detailed in the desktop version. The desktop version is perfect for those who are primarily office-based. Additionally, it also offers a broader range of options for rules and quick steps. Both the desktop and the web app access the same inbox and calendar, which is based on your Microsoft 365 login. The choice of which you use will depend primarily on how you use Outlook in your day-to-day activities. The web app offers reduced options to the desktop version, but if your needs are simple, the web apps may be all you need. Either way, it's reassuring to know that you now have so many ways to access your emails when you're out and about. Unlock your potential. Join our exclusive membership hub today. Find out more at the 3Ws donnahanson.com.au/hub.